Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the power of walking away and how it can increase girls' interest in you. Now, before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Let's get started. We've all been there, trying to capture someone's attention, but sometimes it just seems impossible, right? Well, believe it or not, one of the most effective techniques for increasing a girl's interest in you is to simply walk away. Now, I know it may sound counterintuitive, but stick with us, and we'll explain why this strategy works. Firstly, it's essential to understand that humans are naturally curious beings. When we see someone walking away from a conversation or situation, it triggers our curiosity. The same goes for girls. When you walk away, you create a sense of mystery and leave her wondering why you're no longer pursuing her. It's a psychological trick that can pique her interest and make her more curious about you. Now, let's talk about the key principles behind the power of walking away. 1. Independence. By walking away, you show that you're not overly dependent or clingy. It conveys a sense of self-confidence and independence, which are attractive qualities to many people, including girls. It's essential to maintain your own life and interests, even when you're pursuing someone you're interested in. 2. Scarcity. When you walk away, you create a sense of scarcity. Humans tend to value things that are rare or hard to obtain. By distancing yourself, you position yourself as someone who's not readily available. This can make the girl realize that you have other options and make her desire your attention even more. 3. The fear of missing out, FOMO. When you walk away, you trigger the fear of missing out in her mind. She might start questioning why you've lost interest or what she might be missing out on. This fear can drive her to take action, such as initiating conversations or showing more interest in you. However, it's important to note that walking away doesn't mean completely ignoring or ghosting the person you're interested in. It's about creating a healthy balance and not being overly available. You still need to show interest and engage in meaningful conversations, but leaving at the right moment can amplify her interest in you. Remember, walking away should be used as a strategy to spark interest, not as a manipulation tactic or a game. Genuine connections are built on trust, respect, and open communication. So, use this technique responsibly and consider the other person's feelings. To wrap things up, walking away can be a powerful tool to increase a girl's interest in you. By creating curiosity, demonstrating independence, invoking the fear of missing out, and establishing scarcity, you can make her realize your unique value. But always remember to strike a balance and be genuine in your interactions. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, leave your comments down below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and thoughts on the topic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay confident, and remember, sometimes walking away can be the key to capturing someone's heart.